Hey guys, what are these still doing in here? That's better. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I'm Danielle, and in today's video, I'm doing an apartment tour. Now this was something that I promised a while ago when I first moved in here. And yeah, that's my bad. So it's been probably like over a year and a half since I filmed that. And finally, now that within the next couple of months I'll be moving out of here, I'm ready to film an apartment tour. Life, it just gets ya. That's what this video is. I don't really think I need to explain it more. I do want to say I love this space. I'm sad to leave it, even though I don't have another place to go to at this moment. So it's like not reality yet, but I know that it's going to be happening within the next couple of months. So anyways, this place has brought me such a piece of happiness, serendipity, which means the same thing, serenity, calmness. I'd say that covers it. It's 100% not finished, but it is home, it is comfort, it's cozy, it's my safe place, and I wanted to share it with you. Let me think about how I want to phrase this. I got it. Previously, when I picked places, God, I had it in my head, where'd it go? It was out of need, not out of want. And finally, when it came to this apartment, it was out of need and want. I wanted to live here, so it was a great first place to kind of embark on that. I mean, I've lived on my own or, you know, not with my parents since 9 years. Wow. Oh, that hurt a little bit. Oh, when did I get old? Anyways, I don't need to be having a crisis right now. I love this place, and it was so great to actually put a lot of thought into where I wanted to live and then design it in a way that made me happy. So here is my apartment. entryway. And then as soon as you walk in, this is what you see. So I have a cute little closet over here, as you saw in my empty apartment tour a long time ago. Then you walk into here, and my apartment is in a circle, so we'll make our way around. But you have this cute little nook, which I really do enjoy, and the kitty cat likes to lay up here too. Then as you walk through this, I don't know, would you call it a hallway? Sure, we'll call it that. Oh, furnace and things are in there, but that's irrelevant. You walk in here, and here essentially is the living room. So you've seen me redo this room like twice. And this couch, it makes do, but it is not a forever couch. This chair, it's really, you know, just for decoration and for my cat to lay in. I made this light, so I'll link the video so you can see how I did that. This is probably one of my favorite spots of my apartment. And really, like, that makes it come to life. I found that little tray from, like, this small shop place and just little knickknacks that I've had since then. The books are from a thrift store, so it looks super cute and chic, and I don't know, I love it. But I just really like how I brought this whole piece together. There's a kitty cat that really wants attention. Hi! Yes? Anyways, here's the bookshelf that I've had forever. It is from my great-grandmother, and I just have, you know, obviously books and then trinkets on here, and tons of fall decor as well. Yoga mat pretty much stays right there. That's its permanent home. And then I have this snake plant, which I really like. So she's the new addition to the plant family. Here is the kitchen. You've seen me film lots of videos in here. I cook in here, obviously, and I love it. Now, is this my perfect kitchen? No, it is not. But it has tons of storage. It has a kitchen island, lots of room, which you don't typically see in an apartment kitchen. So that is great. I make it a point to always have fresh flowers. It is a small little something that definitely brings... Oh, can we talk about this? I just remembered that I had it and brought it out for right now. Isn't that cute? Anyways, I thought about clearing this off, you know, to make myself look good, but honestly, this is just reality. So I wanted to show you how I actually live in my home and not present it in a way that isn't realistic. And honestly, who doesn't store stuff up there? Because you can't reach those cabinets. I mean, just me? Okay. I mean, there's really not much else to talk about here in this kitchen. It's pretty simple design. Those are for a different video. But I mean, it does the job, right? And I love it. And this is kind of the vantage point from back here in the corner. Cutesy, right? Then you come over here, and here is the dining room area. Do I sit here that often? No, I do not, but it is cute. And this table and chair is something that my great-grandmother got me, and I haven't gotten rid of it because of that. I also found this basket at the same place that I found the tray, and they got these little pumpkins in here. Super festive. Cute. I know. Then you walk over here, and here's the patio to outside. I redid this whole patio. I will link the video for you. I'm not showing you out there right now because it is a hot mess and I'm embarrassed. Then I have this cute little thing that comes out like during fall and winter because that's the only time that I have decor for it. Anyways, walk into here, and here's the bedroom. If you've watched my videos, you've also saw that I redid this room. So if you're interested in that, definitely make sure that you go watch it. It'll be linked. This is 100% my safe space. I adore it. I feel so cozy in here, which I didn't feel before. No, I didn't mean to show you what I looked like right now. I didn't before because it just was so, like, bland. But now it is warm and cozy. So I will link everything that I can. This DIY basket wall is also up on my channel. It is something I adore. These paints I did myself. They are also super cute and festive. Not festive, just cozy. Just cozy. It's all cozy. Here's a desk that I never use and I haven't bought a chair for. Again, can we just like, ow, I thought you were being sweet. Why did you bite me? Can we just talk about like how cute this is just for selfies? Yes. Outfit of the day. It's right there. But this is where I snooze. This is where sometimes I work, if I'm being honest. It is just like one of my favorite spots to be. I love my bedroom. I feel so cozy in my bedroom. It's great. Here's a closet. I am not showing you what is inside this closet because it's a hot mess in there. I threw a lot of stuff in there. Then when you turn around here, it takes you to the bathroom. Now I'm going to be strategic because there's poo-poo in that litter box, and I don't want to show that to you. All these mirrors, they are traumatizing me. Now, I'm not like completely in love with this bathroom, but it is a good amount of space, I'm not gonna lie. That shower is a good amount of space too. My favorite thing in here are these shelves, and I really wanted to get some stuff out of like drawers and just open up some space. So I love them. I think I got them from Wayfair. I will link them if I can find them. They're great. The rest of the bathroom, just from like different vantage points, takes you into the laundry room. I should probably turn the light on for you. It's all the way over here. Here's the laundry room. Yes, that is a hot mess because I forgot to take out my recycling on the day that I needed to, but I left it because that's real life. This is nothing special, but amazing. Don't get me wrong, because I hate the ones with like the trifold doors, and they just, there's not a lot of room. So here I have tons of room for festivities, and that brings you to the other vantage point. Hi, Miss Dude. But this is a great space, and I can shut the doors when I'm doing the laundry and you really don't hear anything, and it is amazing. And that brings you, watch out, to the entry again. This is my apartment. That was weird. Alright, well that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up because that helps on the YouTube algorithm. That's what I learned this week. So, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on all of my other social medias. They're linked down below, as well as my vlog channel, which is something that's kind of newer. Here's your weekly reminder to take a deep breath. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.